The ruled surface tool, the extend surface tool, the extend surface tool, and the radiate surface tool are all tools that allow you to extend a surface. The simplest of these is the extend surface, which will simply allow you to continue the surface tangent to its current path. You also have some options on how to extend this. We can choose an up to surface if we have a proper surface for this to stop on, or an up to a point, as long as it's on the same body, or simply like we did before by a distance. The ruled surface tool allows you to extend a surface in several ways. The first is the same as the extend surface. It's simply tangent to that surface. Then you can go normal to the surface. And for this, our bottom edge isn't, or rather the surface going into the bottom edge isn't perpendicular to the plane. So you can see it's wavy throughout. If we chose an edge that's perpendicular to a plane, that'll create a flat extension coming off. With the ruled surface, the next option is tapered to a vector. So you can choose a vector from any lines that you have in your part. And then you can change the angle at which this is tapered. We can also create one perpendicular to the vector. And there's an option for a sweep. And that'll just create this in the direction of the vector. With the sweep is a little bit of a misnomer here. It's more of a parallel to vector, as you have to have a straight line in order to use this option. With the ruled surface, you can also select out multiple edges, and you can also choose multiple surfaces. And in certain cases, with the tangent to surface option, if you select these in a certain order by selecting around either clockwise or counterclockwise, it'll create these fillets at the end of your ruled surface. Lastly, if we look at the radiate surface option, it's not immediately apparent what this tool does because of the lack of preview when you select edges, but it'll create either a normal to profile or a tangent to profile. Or follow any direction that you want by choosing a plane. The reason why I'll typically not use this tool is because it doesn't give you a preview, and the rule surface does. So the surface radiate should be replaced with a ruled surface for ease of use. But that's how you use those 3 different tools to extend out a surface.